We got my boy Sam here. We got a Turbo S on the lift, sick ass ride. We're coin flipping today for an X pipe, all right? Don't ever do this, but it's my boy Sam. He has some bullshit exhaust on there. We gotta get rid of it. Heads, 850, tails, 650. Customer's favorite.
Let's go, baby. I don't know which one that is.
Tails, motherfucker. One. All right, so we got an X pipe on a Porsche Turbo S for 650, which is absolutely outrageous. That's what happens when you take risks in life, guys. You flip a coin for some monies.
Don't do coin flips with your custies.
So that was it. That was a 2018 Porsche 911 Turbo S, full carbon kit on that thing. It looks sweet. Honestly, the best spec you could possibly get on that car. Carbon hood, carbon front lip, carbon side skirts, carbon fenders, carbon rear diffuser, carbon wing, carbon pretty much everything on that thing. All right, Dr. Seuss, you boys. So same spec, white carbon on the GT. And honestly, I don't know if you guys saw it. You guys watched the whole video. We really appreciate the retention, but we slapped an X pipe on there to equalize the flow. Sounds 10 times better. Customer is ecstatic. He's called me 3 times already, said how good it sounds. And honestly, losing that coin flip kind of sucked because that's a $1,000 job. I did it for dirt cheap. But again, when you got friends, you gotta hook them up sometime. So X pipe on a Porsche, done, all set. Does have downpipes on there and sounds like a tank. So you guys let us know what you think. Gexhaust, Davey, Gexhaust Oakland Park. And if you have any questions, you have a Porsche, just hit us up. We'll hook it up. X pipe, catbacks, IPE, Akrapovic, you name it. We got you guys. We out.